Hey, this is Nick with Generational Leads. I know you spoke with Viola the other day about her sending you over a quick video of your website, and she also told me you didn't have a website, but I wanted to shoot this over to you to show you exactly why you should have a website and what you're missing out on, essentially. So it's good because I looked you guys up here, and I know you guys have a GMB, which is awesome. Looks like it's all built out and all that kind of stuff, but the power that you're missing is SEO. So the only way people are going to find you here is if they're searching your exact name versus looking for a roofing and siding service. So to give you an example, I wanted to show you the main competitor in your area. So these guys, Atlanta Metro Roofing, this is their website and how it kind of breaks down. Basically, the idea is on the home page, it's important to have probably about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords in it to Google. Okay, so the reason that it's important is because what Google does is they come in and they crawl your website and they read everything that you're about to be able to see what kind of questions you're answering for potential clients coming to your website, or the info you're talking about, the info you're providing, and it kind of gives them an idea of what to rank you for, right? So these guys actually don't have that much content on their homepage as far as words. However, how they're using their keywords and backlinks in their service pages here is what's the key. Okay, so when we build out our service pages for different services that you offer within the roofing business and siding business, then those particular pages are going to have their own keywords that will be ranking for them to bring up in Google. So to kind of give you an idea, if we hop over here and give you an example in my tool that I use here, it's called Ahrefs. Super powerful tool, just an analytic, right? So basically it shows exactly what your competitors are doing and how you can do it too. So if we dive over here into keywords, still on that keyword topic, if we look here, Atlanta Metro Roofing, that's their company, right? So the people that are searching that already know who they are. But if we dive in here and look for roof repair, roof contractors, roofing, right? Roof repair again. So these keywords in here are buyer intent, right? There's people looking for a roofing contractor. There's people looking to have that service done for them. They're looking for that service. They just don't know who to go with, so they're trying to find a business to provide that for them. And that's the point of targeting keywords and getting ranked for those to come up in those searches, because when you start looking at these numbers, you know, this one alone, roofing, Alpharetta, Georgia, 250 people search that every single month. And these guys are in position 10, but that's because there's like directories and stuff, and those are pretty easy to beat out. They just haven't done it. But of that 250 at 10th, right, the bottom of the first page, they're still bringing in 6 people every single month. If we look here, these guys, let me see here, 350 people searching roofing repair, roofing Alpharetta, Georgia, roofing contractors, 250 people. And these keywords start to add up, right? These start to add up. They're like Legos. So when you build these correctly and put them on the right pages and start ranking these pages, you start bringing in this volume. So to give you an idea, if we look at this overview here, they're bringing in 93 people every single month, and that's just because they haven't even took out the directories yet, such as like Yelp and all those back pages and stuff like that. And once they do that, those numbers are going to increase quite a bit. So those are the keywords that I want to talk about with you, and the idea of those and how to do that on your website. The other piece is the referring domains and backlinks. Okay, this is a popularity contest, so it's essentially saying how many different websites can I get to link or backlink to my website. So what this is the more you get, the more popular you are. The more popular you are, the more credibility and authority you have in Google's eyes, so the higher you rank. But it's not just about getting any backlinks and referring domains. You really got to make sure you're getting quality links that are in your niche, in your industry, relevant to what you do. And that way, when you build those up with that in the industry, also having their own power of backlinks and everything, that starts to boost your ranking as well. Okay, so one way to do it is you can literally dive in here and go and get exactly what your competitors have, copy and paste, copycat method, right? And go get them yourself. Then you don't want to stop there. You want to keep going to make sure we dominate the competition in the area. So with that being said, these guys are bringing in 93 people every single month, like I said, with those keywords that they're ranking for and the amount of work they're doing on the SEO end. If we hop over here to Google to kind of give you an idea, so this is one of the top keywords here in the area. This is kind of how Google breaks it down. So you have your ads up here that people are paying for. Then you have your GMB or Google Map Pack. This is your number one competitor here. And what this is saying is where all the citations are essentially. Okay, so I know you guys have one, but the only way you're going to come up in this top 3 is if you're here in the organic section. Okay, so your number one competitors are right here, but all these are like Yelp, back pages, you have Home Advisor, right? So you just got to beat these guys out, and it's simple with the type of backlinks you get. You just got to get the right backlinks. With that being said, what a citation is essentially it's a business directory of your business name, number, and address. And what that does is it goes on Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, BBB, all these different directories, and that builds trust with Google. Okay, so I know you have your GMB already, but we need to throw citations on it, and we also need to build a small little website for you to target these keywords, right? So simple, clean website that targets these keywords, that's going to boost up that traffic and put your GMB in there as well. So they all kind of work together. So I wanted to leave that with you. I know it's a lot of information, but I know you spoke with Viola, and she told me to send one over to you. So I wanted to make sure that we got this over to you, and you had all the information you needed. If you have any questions, contact Viola. She'd love to take care of you, and we'll go from there. Thanks.